Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix recent app closing automatically or Android app closing when minimized problem of Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Find out about phone or about device. Then open it. Tap on software information. Now tap on the build number for the 7 times to enable the developer options. I am not tapping this time because I already enabled the developer options. After you enable the developer options, move back from here and open the developer options. Scroll down and find out the background process limit. Tap on it. Make sure you have selected the standard limit. After that, I hope your recent app close automatically problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then maybe your problem with the app crashing or other reason. Watch this video to fix app closing automatically in Android for other reasons. Thanks for watching.